Hi, I just got my pop-ons. They come in this cute little container with a mirror. Take them anywhere. They send you the molds. So when I'm not wearing my pop-ons, I just rest my veneers on these molds. The issue with my teeth is, you can see the yellow. I've had them professionally whitened from the dentist, but 2 to 3 weeks after that, my teeth turn yellow again, and it gets expensive having to keep getting my teeth whitened. Then I saw the commercial for pop-on veneers, so I went ahead and tried it. I'm so glad I did, and you will be too. Let me just see the yellow. Let me just pop these on. So easy. Look how pretty. Look how white. Let me pop on the tops. Just like that. You got a beautiful smile. See how bright it is? Look at it. It's very bright. Thank you, pop-ons. I don't have to go to the dentist anymore and get my teeth whitened. I can have white teeth anytime I want. Thank you.